Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to solve another May LeetCode challenge, day 4. So let's go to the LeetCode website first. Okay, I have some internet issue. Let me fix this first. Hopefully my net is working now. Yeah, now net is working fine. So coming up to the LeetCode May challenge. Here is a contest. First week, and today's problem is number complement. So given a positive integer, okay, a positive integer will be given, output its complement number. We have to output its complement number. The complement strategy is to flip the bit of every binary representation. So here input is 5 and output is 2. How it is come? The binary of 5 is 101, and if we flip each and every digit, flip means complement of every bit. So 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, and 1 becomes again 0. So it becomes 0, 1, 0, and the equivalent decimal of 0, 1, 0 is 2. Similarly, for 1 it is 0. So basically how we are going to implement is, firstly we will take the one left shift till, well, firstly we will initialize a variable. So let's discuss this first. We will, from this code we can understand, we have taken a one variable called mask. Okay, let me do the testing and the code section, which I have done the code already. So this is our code. Okay, we have taken one variable called mask, which we have initialized with 1. Okay, since num is passed by the, while initializing, while calling the function by the problem, so initially in the first example num is 5, so we will compare the 1 is smaller than 5. It is correct. Yes, it is correct. So you come inside the loop and mask will be left shifted by 1. So equivalent binary of 1, what will be the equivalent binary of 1? Equivalent binary of 1 will be 0001 in 4 digit, 4 bit. Okay, and if we left shift this, if we left shift 1 bit, then it becomes 10, right? And its decimal equivalent is 2. And after that what we are doing, we are adding a 1. After left shift by 1, we are adding 1, so it will become 3, become 3 again. After mask is initially become 3, again the condition will be checked. 3 is smaller than 5, correct, again it is correct. So again in the loop, now 3 left shift by 1. Now binary equivalent of 3 is 0010, sorry 11 is the binary equivalent of 3. If you left shift the bit by 1, then what will be it? 0110. If you left shift, then it becomes this, and decimal equivalent of this is 0110 is 6, and after that we are adding 1, this one, so it will become 7 now, 7. So now again if this condition will be checked, 7 is smaller than 5, not correct, false, false statement, then it will come out from the while loop. The while loop, this loop will not execute anymore, this loop will not execute. Now after that loop it is return num. This is XOR in Python, this is XOR in Python. This is XOR in Python. So what is the num? Initially num is passed as 5. We have to do 5 XOR and the mask value is 7. This is a mask variable which is keep on changing. So the XOR of these two is 2. How it is? Let's come and see whether it is 2 or not. 5 or 7. So we'll take the online help because intuition part will be a little bit lengthy. Okay. We will take a few minutes to check convert to the 10th place. 5 and 2 it is. Sorry. One is 5 or 7. 5 or 7 and we have to get the value in the decimal place. Calculate XOR. Here it is 2. So here it is 2. Again, if we give 1 as input, okay, if we give 1 as input, if we give 1 as input, then first condition will be 1 is smaller than 1. No, 1 is equal to 1. It is not smaller, it is equal. So false condition, so it will simply return out from the while loop. This means this while loop will not execute anymore. So return num XOR mask. Mask is 1, means number is 1 and XOR 1. What will come? If we again check it, it will give field as 0 because XOR 1 XOR 1, that is 0. So this is the intuition part. So what we have done in this, we have taken the mask as 1 and after that we are looping the condition till mask is greater than num, and we have to just shift 1 bit and adding 1 to that. And after when the loop exit, at the time of exiting from the loop, after exiting the loop we have to return num XOR mask. So this is XOR operation and this is left shift by 1 bit. Okay, let's submit it and check it whether it is running perfectly or not. So it is perfectly running. So for the raw solution for Java, Python and C++, you have to follow my GitHub profile where after this video I will upload all the solution here. After going to GitHub, I will provide the link GitHub of my profile, and you have to go to the LeetCode challenge. Here I have already uploaded day 1, day 2, day 3. After this video I will upload day 4 also. So it will be looking like this. That is, if you have to just understand and copy and paste the code. If you wish, if you understand the code, then do similar coding in your own. Here it is. Like this way, on day 4 also will be the solution. Here is the Python solution of day 3. There is the C++ solution. There is Java solution. So all 3 solutions will be available. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and do subscribe our channel for more such exciting video and job updates. Thank you for watching the video.